Hey everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. Today I'm going to be using a lot of papers from Chamel's, a couple of her collections and embellishments. So right now I'm trying to find the right paper to match these, or to map these photos on. And I found this star paper from Bella Boulevard. It's the Oh My Stars 6x8 paper pad. And I have these two photos. So this is my mom with her very first great-grandchild, and you've seen me scrapping his baby album quite a bit. So this will be for his baby album. And she's got a bright red sweater on. He's got a bright purple hat with all sorts of fun little pom-poms on it. So I decided I wanted the background papers, or the papers I was using, to be bright as well. And of course my ATG is not cooperating, so I need to get that fixed. Sometimes the adhesive will stick to different spots. And my ATG is not new. It's, I think 10 years old at least. So anyway, so I'm going to take these two photos. I did cut the one on the right down just a little bit compared to how big the one on the left is. And now I'm kind of looking at what I want to use for background papers. I did like that diamond because it's so colorful, but I also like this ombre rainbow dotted line one. I guess it's a rainbow dotted line. And then I also like that star paper with all of the different colors as well. So I decided not to use the diamond because I thought it actually took away from the photos to have it as a big background, versus maybe a little piece of it wouldn't have been so bad, but I didn't want to just chop it up into a little piece because part of the charm of that paper is all of the colors. So I'm going to use that rainbow background paper right there on the navy, and that is Chamel Head in the Clouds. It's the Friends Are Forever paper. And then I'm going to take a piece of this star paper from Chamel Head in the Clouds, and that's the Royal Fanfare paper. So I got a really nice selection of the different colors, not all of them, but quite a few of the different ones. And now I'm trying to figure out if I want to put some sort of card or something to journal on. The only problem is if I do that, I will eliminate part of the rainbow part of those stars. So I decided not to do that. And I like how that white paper is a contrast to the navy background. Now I have these paper clips from Chamel Box of Crayons, the glitter icon paper clips, and I decided I want to use this white heart paper clip just because obviously she's meeting her first great-grandson. They had FaceTimed quite a bit, but she never actually met him. So the heart is appropriate, and I ended up putting it on the top for now. Then I use that sticker there that says today is the best ever, and it's bright and rainbow colored, and that sticker is from the Chamel hashtag sticker book, and that's a book that you can buy at places like Hobby Lobby and Michael's, maybe? Hobby Lobby, Michael's, I think. I'm not sure if Joann's, I think Joann's had them for a while too. Then in that same sticker book I found this little sort of arrow piece that says Wonder, which I thought that was pretty cool because it was kind of a wonder, you know, seeing him for the first time. She lives a long way across the country from where they live, so everybody was home for Christmas, including my mom and her great-grandson. So it's weird to have say that, and he's now almost 9 months old. So anyway, I did find a little piece to journal on there in that hashtag sticker book, and that's that little banner piece. And then I found that little pink word strip there which says love this. So generally what I do with these sticker books is I just kind of go through and look to find things that I think will work appropriately for the layout. And I don't like, sometimes I know what I want to do, sometimes I do exactly what I'm doing now. It's like, what can I add in here? I did find that little sticker, word sticker also that says magical. I'm thinking about using some sort of arrow to point to that today is the best day ever. I do like this star arrow here because it is multi-rainbow colored. The only problem I had with that is it's almost the same exact width as the border on the mat there, and I didn't like how that looked. So I went back to the original arrow there, and it's about the same width. Or it's bigger width, sorry, not about the same. So twang there. And again, just going through the book and looking. I want something to put on top of that, and I'm not sure what that is. So then I found this page with these stars, and they are kind of transparent, so you can see through them. Then I grabbed this puffy sticker because it's a camera, and you know, when something important happens, you use a camera to take photos, so I thought that was appropriate. Okay, so I have that down. And then I found this extra turquoise star. So I like that just because it gives a little color and it pulls in the turquoise from, I just pointed from the top there. All right, then I found another little word strip here, and this one says love this again, but it's in the green. So I grabbed the magical and pulled it down to the bottom. I don't remember why I decided I wanted the green up there, but I did. I remember now. It's because there's a green star down on the bottom, so I thought I'd bring the green to the top and the turquoise to the top with that little star there. And then the turquoise is on the bottom with the magical. And then I found that little blue star there. Just trying to think, is there anything else I can add in here? Just because I'm going from cluster to cluster, and there's a green star, so I decided to add that again. So now I've got the aquas and the greens and the pinks in every one of the clusters there. So I really like how that worked out. Then I go to an oldie but a goodie. These are the Chamel Fitzgerald thickers from Starshine. And I want to do my title from these, and my title is going to be Meeting Gigi, so Gigi is what my grandkids call my mom, even though they're not blood great-grandchildren. You know, Gigi stands for great-grandma, because I asked my mom what she wanted them to call her, because she is with me in the summer, so if they're here, they have to call her something. So anyway, and it's so cute. And my oldest grandson, especially if she's not here, because I had him a couple of weeks ago here, and he said, "Where's Gigi, Grandma?" And you know, he gets kind of concerned because she's not here, and it's so cute. And I said, "Remember, Gigi lives in Arizona," and he has been to Arizona, so he kind of can relate that that's a long way away. So it's just really sweet that he asks about her and wants to know if she'll come back and if she'll play with him, because the first time he ever met her, she played Candyland with him, and trust me, he remembers that. You know how kids are. So anyway, I'm MacGyvering letters here just because I don't have, so I use 6s to make the G's and cut up other letters to make I's. I turned 3's upside down to make E's. I'm going to turn an F into a T. So I'm trying to use up as much of these letters as I can. I think I've used 3 packs of these, you guys, just because I love this so much. It's such a nice thicker, so you can do a longer title with them. It's brilliant. Okay, so there I go. I've got the Meeting Gigi down. Now I'm going back and I'm looking at the puffy stickers here just to see if there's maybe anything else that I can use. And there we go. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye!